Manipuri New Secretariat Police Station kala STBO post rada khani semkhawai sarkarna mayami haira. Tangkhul lehali shim khamasa nakamakhaning bingwe athar copy Tangkhul region tli misangkhawai jeze khami shokaira. Lake Yangator, Aja Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a palmi dalei, pau being mesaina nganang rumsa. Manipuri New Secretariat Police Station kala STBO post rada khani semkhawai sarkarna mayami haira. Mandri Bukhrili New Secretariat Police Station semkhawai kala Sub-Divisional Police Officer STBO post rada khani semkhawai Manipur Police Department na proposal committee Manipur sarkar na principal mayami haira. He policing capabilities investigation yangasangala overall law and order management mathamai khawai wuivang nachi. State Civil Secretariat kala Police Headquarters Mandri Bukhrili Hongwa ki jihauda apam jili security coverage kala law enforcement presence mapung phada khalei tarkar sahawa. Proposed Secretariat Police Station jina Kathara Secretariat Complex kala Police Headquarters Chile Kankhana Policing Service Khamimang Maningla Abam Chile Khalei Institution Kate Manipur High Court IIT kala Forest Office Complex Lila Yangsang Mira Administrative Kasakala Security Demands Chungkhamai Wuivang Imphal East District Azingli New Capital Complex Dedicated STBO High Kawai Sarkarna Mayami Haira. Officer Jina proposed Secretariat Police Station kala Leida Khalei Hengang Police Station Supervise Sara Dahanga kala apam gate maleilak eina Semnau ki kachi District Kangbokpe Teknopal Kamjong Ferzol kala None Shong Supervisory Officer Tarkar Kasa wuivang additional STBO post semkhawai sarkarna maya haira. Jina District Policing Unit with administrative kala operational efficiency mathamai ngasakra kachi hanga. Jandel Churachandpur kala Tamenglong Hikatha Districtly STBO structure avavu khalei mashap tuwa. Crime investigation, force deployment kala law and order supervision wuivang chungkhamai darkar sahawa dahanga. Sarkarna mayami kahai STBO post katharbingji New District Wili Kangbokpi District STBO Kangbokpi STBO Sabarmena kala STBO New Keithalmanbi Teknopal District STBO Teknopal Kamjong District STBO Kasomkulan kala STBO Kamjong Ferzol District STBO Barbung kala None District STBO None All District Wili Imphal East District STBO New Capital Complex Jandel District STBO Chakpi Karong Churachandpur District STBO Singhat Tamenglong District STBO Damai Hibinghina STBO Post Katharbingji Police Department Unit Ngadatai Dali Laika High Sanctioned DSP or SC Post Eina Substitute Sara Post Kathar Matai Sangi Kachi Maning Mana Kala Proposed Secretariat Police Station to Officer in Charge Post Chila Laida Khalei Inspector Post Eina Substitute Sara Dahanga Tangkhul lehali nakanau Makhaning Shim Para Bam the Clay Pingwe Athar Gobi Tangkhul region NSAN GPRN ni misangkhawai Zizikhami Shokhairam Zizikhami hi Tangkhul leha alungli Makhangatun Otsa Kala Ayin Makhamia Ochot Mashokhawai wuivang naji Central Administrative Officer Tangkhul region Zizikhami Atishurda Shim Masa Shok the Khalei Kaja Shim Para Johoda Khalei Shim Akhawa Saikorana Shim Para Lipam the Khalei Nakama Khaning Saikorowe Aadhaar card Xerox copy Eding Soda Tangkhul region Officely Misang Palungra Shim Akhawa Jina Simiksho Shini Thangwelungli Ramisang Palungra Chihaira Aadhaar card copy Mikasang Chi Aya Tarik Madiena Haupokta Simiksho Shini Atam Mihaida Khaleina Kali Kada Naka Makhaning Ping Jina Makhangi or Makhangatun Ayinna Makhamia Ot Sasaka Saikoroji Shim Akhavana Riks Kwirada WTR na Hangmatin Haira Hang High Administrative Zizikhami Hilik Kajikatha Shim Akhavana Mashuraka Shim Akhava Juwetungli Yurna Kwikhangi Action Kwirada Hangmatin Haira Nationally khayom wuivang ukrul police na tukhui kahai accusedly t-shirt thang wuivang police custody remand sahira. Ukrul headquarters li national akali tuk mikhavai kasa wuivang police na tukukhina. Mibaji zingkum hang trukta gutum Gopal Thakur hoda Biharui mina ana zingkum trada khani shinau national akali tuk mikhavai kasa na dahanga. Ochochi hamle khongli achahon tarik khani ngazin pung Tharuk makai ina shini walungli ka shokna. Mibaji victim we khongnaina ochochi we statement khuilaga Gopal we tungli protection of children from sexual offense act we thishuta legal shongpong za habokta aya karotli khuiwaya. Maramji ukrul we Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate na yangmida mibaji li chisha thangwibang police custody mihaira. Indo-Naga Framework Agreement shoy sada cingkum thara kahailala solution makhui khara wuivang United Naga Council na Indian Sarkarli makhamya phongshokhaira. Government of India na chan ngazek aina atam mazang sak na nawbai mana. Chan ji otsak aina sashok the political settlement khiraran na the council jina hanghaira. Maram hi achahontang framework agreement we katara anniversary ling sunda United Naga Council UNC na pong shokna. Framework agreement shoy sada Naga we unique history kala position chi Indian Sarkar na mujud mi kahaina hiwe ka khalatwa Naga nauping independence todrinjan laya gajina da UNC na hangsanga. Naga nauping Union of India li mazanglak mana Burma Myanmar lila mazanglak mana Pangshab kate we ajinglila mapam pailak mana gaji hangsanga. Unique position to we kakhalatwa nakalim we position kala situation hi political na gajina da UNC na hanga. Akhain aka we position khanini shina phap tang rock hi framework agreement chili zangda democracy li sovereignty hi mibing wili laya gaji universal principle ji machut khamina da UNC na hanga. Nakalim sovereignty hi Naga nauping wili laya gaji hi machut khamina da hangsanga. Naga nauping we national identity machut da kala Naga nauping na Union of India we offer makhui mana gaji mayada Indian Sarkar inclusive and new relationship of peaceful coexistence between the two entities da propose kasana gaji UNC na hanga. Inclusive gaji hi Naga saikorali political group saikorali embrace kasana da hanga. Kala new relationship gaji hi framework agreement chili panda relationship kathar khoi kharali kahangna. Coexistence gaji hi Indian kala Naga people da miyur khani coexist kasali kahangna da UNC na hangsanga. Naga philan aina constitution chila sovereignty we constituent parts na da UNC na hangsanga. Chidada sada government of India na chan ngazek we na atam khoi kabam masa phulung mara chan ngazek tui mika haije otsak aina sa phulungra da UNC na hanghaira. Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribes MSCST with Chairperson Kapangasang Maramli United Tribal Council Manipur UDCM nala ninga krik phongshok haira. Tenure kupsang kahai outgoing chairperson jina service extend sakafai satellite da UDCM na hanga. Kala chili council jina makamya phongsoka. Hiwi Maramli Tribal CSOs bingna Manipur with Governor, Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, TA and Hills and Member Secretary, MSCST kala Manipur Tribal Affairs and Hills Director li kabisang da tenure kupkahai incumbent chairperson li kushokawai pokahai na da UDCM na hanga. Chairperson chui tenure marang tarik tradam madidhang paigahai na. Outgoing chairperson na posting chili pamfuda khalei commission to we liability ngasaya gaji mibaji financial irregularities kala mismanagement li khanga phang mina da UDCM na phenhaira. State commission we atamli controversies non-transparency bias kala partisan management shoka da UDCM na hangsanga. Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes Annual Progress Report APR Commission Chui Second Foundation Day Marang 4 2015 Day Sangai Hall Hotel Imphali Phongmi Kha Tribal Nauping Wuivang Policy Formulation Maramdi Commission Jina State Sarkali Recommendation Maningaka Report Kami Annual Progress Report Chili Akala Mazang Tuwada UDCM na hanga. Commission Chui Ot Kasakala Institutional Kashap Maling Mikhavai, former chairperson China Kajanga Hotnara Akala Malay to the UDCM Nahanga. Former chairperson T Maitui Rongmeiji BJP we active member na the UDCM Nahanga. Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes MSCST Act 2014 kala chiwi ayin athishuda chikatha positions kakhui miji political affiliations maningaka alliance malay pai managachi UDCM Nahang sanga. Political influences maleilak la chairperson kapangkawai poda otpam wuivang application kangohot official notification shock mikhavai Manipur Sarkarli ngakaw haira. Kakjing Shong e-office with training hapokhaira. District Administration kala Kakjing District E-Governance Society DGS na kanitang e-office with refresher come hands-on training program rungmidale. Ang ranang ngeji NIC video conference room DC office complex Kakjing li aya hapokta achikup sangra. E-office system matada singte kawai tam kamijli deputy commissioner with office Kakjing subdivisional office kala subdivisional office Waikong with staff sangda mi magada kanina shirukhuya. Training ji madailagay na e-office platform li file processing kala document management li kazang official pingwivang na. Shaka tumrada kamade duran Gabli Real Kashmir FC mga vahairang. Group F Kangaryaw aya Kuman Lambak Stadium Imphali Tura FC na Real Kashmir FC ngadagda Real Kashmir shina yuhaira. Match Chili Tura FC na Akha Real Kashmir na Langkai Kani zanga. Match Kani Ngaryaw kahay Real Kashmir ara points katum lehaira. Points ina yangaka Tura FC ngahan Jane Shokhaira. Rida Indian Navy FT na Real Kashmir li Kani Akha ina yuhaidale. Kala Group F Hogapok match li Tura FC ina Niraga FC ngatakta draw ina kupsanga. Turan Cup ngahan chili Zangwa Kawai Group F li Real Kashmir we final match tarik tharata Ngaryaw kita khalei Niraga FC li yuikhui phulungra. Kala Niraga FC ina Indian Navy football team na pay shinitang Ngaryawra. Group stage Tura FC ina Indian Navy football team pay tarik tharata khanitang kupsangra. Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC main exam chi Churachandpur lila Rungmi Khavai District Chili Khalei State Civil Service aspirant being the Governor AK Palali ngagaw haira. Marang tarik trata akhawi MPSC notification athishuda main exam chi Center Khani State Capital Imphal kala Guwahati li Rungmira. Ka Center Chikatha High Committee Kugi Nauping Wuivang Physical, Psychological, Kala Financial Kasak Lehawada Main Examination Churachandpur District Lila Rungmi Khavai Kugi Student Organization Case Ona Kabo Palali Chithi Kabisanga. Case Ona Kahang Porikhaji Churachandpur Li Rungmida Aspirant Saikorali Ngarai Kacha Opportunity Kami Ngasara. Kala China Ram Makanda Porikha Kathawi Logistical Kala Psychological Kasakli yang sangmi radahanga. National level porikha kade UGC NET NEET HNIVIR SSC kala banking service hikathawi porikha Churachandpur li kahap maleilak rungmi haira kaji hangda state level MPSC exam jila Churachandpur li mathalakina rungmi paira kaji shitsangada case on hanga. Life Insurance Corporations of India na Mahila Career Agent LICs Bima Shaki Wuivang mi padale. Bima Shaki hi shinaw bing Wuivang performance oriented stipendary scheme na hili stipendary period zingkum kutumle. Scheme hina financial benefit in a flexible working hours kaniniwi kapha ngarumda job opportunities mikhavai kasanaji. LICs Bima Shaki Hui eligibility minimum SSC qualification kala jingkum thrata jishat eina hangshini kashungda na apply sa paira. Applicants G salaried employee kangasa takar masamana la substantial regular income kale takar masamana. Stipendary period jingkum kotumli kharegumli lupa 7,000 per month. Kakne kumli rupees 6,000 per month kala kakutuma kumli 5,000 per month rada hangda kale stipend chi performance athishuda ragi gachina housing loan, group insurance, mediclaimed, festival advance, prize and award, professional training, credit duty, hitharan layachi. Maram wuivang 7085467918 li hanwa paira. KCC Falls Lonis JSC ne kajishat sali kajia Kishan credit card KCC Falls Lonis Saigoro Ukrul Town Holi kazip pamra kazip ji aju itarik shiri ngotor pung trata khali mikhavai langjin sahaira langjin sa kahai kazip chili Lonis kachi kathana maheng sangmata makhra layakha JSC na mikyan mazang mimarada jishat haira nganadak le yarili thengasakli kaja kajisha chanpau hi paid notification sada kazipam khawai JSC jina khanghot phong khamina maram chili platform hina khamashung makhamashung hang khami maning mana latluida achiwi khamataya pauping Manipuri News Secretariat Police Station kala STBO post rada khani sem khawai sarkarna mayami haira Tangkhul Express Shim Khamasa Nakamakhaning Bingwe Athar Kopi Tangkhul Region Tli Misang Khavai Jeze Khami Shokhaira Achiwi Pau Hilinga Janghaira Pau Nada Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi Kala Khamhai Zimik Shong Saserano